A broken heart can mend sometimes. It's harder to repair a broken mind. We are taught concepts we cannot use. Thoughtless wins and powerful lose. Parents send children to bad schools. School uniforms became prison suits. You read the Bible and nothing else. You're preaching in a corner by yourself, drinking wine and snorting cocaine, fatty deposits and cracks on the brain. Might need surgery to fix that mess. Nod in the corner and take your rest. Ooh. A broken heart can mend sometimes. It's harder to repair a broken mind. Best not to embrace bad habits at all. Don't put American ways on recall. Study the ones outside the mainstream. Reality is not a distant dream.